Latest coming in from regarding the Indian economy, which is poised to remain the fastest growing major economy in the current year, driven by sound macro fundamentals, robust financial sector and commitment towards sustainable growth. That's what the RBI has said in its annual report for the year. As per the report, domestic economic activity is expected to strengthen from the lows that it recorded in the first half last year. Inflation, most importantly, is likely to ease out and gradually move closer to RBI's target, which is, remember, in the sub 4% range. That, of course, will ease out the overall cost of living challenges that many people face. To decode this in greater detail, to connect the dots, I want to quickly now rope in my colleague from NDTV, Profit Pallavi, to take us through the highlights of the RBI report.
The RBI published its annual report. Let's have a very quick look at some of the key takeaways. The RBI's balance sheet expanded 8.2% on an annual basis to 76.25 lakh crore rupees. That was for the financial year ended March 31st, 2025. Now, the increase on the asset side was driven by the rise in gold, domestic investments as well as foreign investments, while on the liabilities side, the expansion was because of the increase in the notes issued, revaluation accounts and other liabilities. Now, a provision of 44,800 crore rupees was transferred to the contingency fund, and the RBI gold holdings noticeably rose by 57.5 metric tons from the previous year, coming up to 879 metric tons. Now, this is what the RBI's takeaways on the Indian economy was, while the central bank noted that global economic and financial conditions remained volatile and a tad weak. The Indian economy, meanwhile, remained resilient, and India continues to show a steady growth rate. It is expected to grow by 6.5% for FY26 as well, and it is expected to sustain its position as the world's fastest growing major economy. It is also expected that inflation will steadily align with the RBI's 4% target. The easing of supply chain pressures, lower global commodity prices and higher agricultural production led by the expectation of an above normal southwest monsoons all bode well for India's economy. Financial markets, meanwhile, might exhibit some sporadic volatility given global and geopolitical conditions as they evolve.